In this video, we'll be touring this beautiful 2,800 square foot San Antonio home with 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and some nasty surprises. That's no bueno. All right, we are in central San Antonio today. Like I said, this is a 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom, 2,800 square foot home built in 2018, so it is fairly modern. It looks to have been recently renovated. Here's your first bedroom right off of the front door. Now this is a 2-story home and it has a pretty modern looking staircase with an open area above the living room to the second story, which is pretty unique. Not unique, but interesting, you know? My one concern with those open area living rooms is that here's the bathroom, is that all of the hot air tends to rise through these open ceilings to the second story. So the second story tends to end up warmer than the bottom floor, even if you have 2 ACs, even if you have an AC for the upstairs and an AC for the downstairs, all of the hot air will just kind of rise through this opening and you end up with problems up there. So it depends on the building, depends on the house. Here's your first bathroom. This one's open to the common area. It is a full bathroom, which is nice. Check this out. Here's your laundry room. A little dark, but is what it is. Water heater. Space for washer and dryer. I can imagine that would be pretty cramped if you had, you know, your washer and your dryer right there. You know, you're trying to like do your laundry and like, you know, you've got the whole washer or dryer out to here. It would be pretty difficult, I can imagine. I will say the kitchen is pretty modern. You've got solid surface countertops and the cabinets look pretty nice. You have a burnerless Bernie thing, which I like. I know some people like their gas stoves, but I tend to like the flat tops. Farm style sink. Like I said, nice cabinets. Stainless appliance, and you even have like a work desk or something there. You know, you could have your laptop and maybe a couple of monitors right here. Maybe like a gaming station or a work from home spot. Here's your primary bedroom over here. Definitely larger than the others that you'll see here in just a little bit. You have a sliding glass door that goes to your back door. Yes, there is a balcony on the second story, and I will show you that to you. And we will check out the backyard here in just a little bit. But here is your primary bathroom. Pretty sizable, I have to say. Got a nice modern vanity right there. Walk-in shower, tile shower. Then of course you've got your water closet right over here with the potty. And a pretty sizable closet here as well. Plenty of space. Now guys, if you like these tours and want to see more of them, then be sure to like and subscribe. It helps me out. It lets me bring more of them to you. Let's check out the backyard next. I think it's kind of interesting. This almost looks like a front door, not so much a back door. So here's your back patio. Down here, you've got a nice concrete space, and then this leads to a carport right there with some extra storage space there in the back. You have a nice open yard, so you have some green space here, which is nice for downtown living. And then you have this very mature, although very dead, tree in your backyard. So that's a plus. Then you have this gate that leads to your driveway. I will say for downtown living, you know, you've got enough parking space. You can park right there if you want to. And you can park under your covered parking right there as well. So if you need to have guests over or something, you have plenty of space to get them in. All right, do y'all want to check out the upstairs next? Yeah, I know you do. All right, let's see. Oh, your living room. I forgot to mention you do have a wet bar right over there, which is pretty handy. I can see this house being great for people who want to entertain, maybe watch a game together with buddies. You know, I could see this being, and not to say that it can't be for families or anything else, but I could see this being like a bachelor's house. You know, like you've got your gaming setup right there. You've got your, you know, PS5 or Xbox right there. You've got your, you know, your fancy open white, modern, clean design, you know, black and white. And then coming up here. These stairs are literally just like 2x14s or 2x16s with lag bolts in there. Look at that. Yeah, little shaky. Not shaky, but I'm always worried that the wood would just split, you know, like I would just step right there at the edge and it would just snap and I would die. I doubt that would actually happen, but all right. Here's your first upstairs bedroom. Nice view of the house across the street. And then this one does have immediate access to the bathroom over here. So here's your upstairs bathroom. It's really big. This feels like a runway, you know, like a fashion runway. Like, what do you need all this space in your bathroom for, you know? And then also, you have a beautiful view to your ceiling fan, you know, you could almost like reach out and touch it, get your hand cut off. All right. They have this stage and set up as kind of a workout area, and I could see that. This could be like an upstairs hangout. It's pretty fancy too, because, you know, you could always just look down. There's all your other buddies over there. And then here is your patio that I mentioned, your balcony. And every time I ever step off a balcony onto a balcony, I always think of like, you know, the Gladiator, where it's like thumbs up, thumbs down, you know, like execute him. No, I'm just joking. And then stepping back inside, let's see what we got. Now we've got your last bedroom up here. Now, ooh, you see that? That's no bueno. If you check this out, oh, look at that. You can see the laminate's kind of started to peel up a little bit. That's not good. It's definitely not good. Ugh. Now, I did talk to the agent. She said that she's going to have this fixed. So hopefully by the time y'all get around to this house, that won't be an issue. Here's your closet. Pretty standard closet. Decent size, a little tight. Now guys, I know you've probably been wondering what the price is on this thing. I've got it, or not I've got it listed, but this house is listed right now at $585, which for being downtown San Antonio, not necessarily a bad deal. I'm more of a country boy, y'all know. So, you know, you tell me in the comments, what do you think? Is this a house that you would live in? Would you like how the way the upstairs kind of melds into the downstairs? Do you like the way you've got the wet bar right there in the living room? You know, do y'all like having your own patio to look down to the backyard? Do you feel like you have enough parking there? What do you think of these stairs? So I'd love to hear y'all's comments. Let me know what you think. And if you know somebody that might be interested in this house, of course, send it over to them. And if you want to see my last home tour, check it out right here. I'll see y'all next time.